that's so good. Hello everybody, welcome to part 2 of the ATV Fix-It video series, as only 2 parts, but hopefully this is only 2 parts. I finally got the parts, speaking of parts. This is the new gasket for the clutch cover, and this is the new clutch itself. I got the clutch off of Amazon and the gasket off of eBay, which in hindsight might have been a mistake because it took way longer to get here than Amazon ever would have took, but hopefully this works pretty well. For those who either haven't watched the video or are unfamiliar, basically this ATV did get running again. However, with the new fuel filter wasn't enough because the clutch was out. It was spitting little metal shards, probably from teeth, so it basically would not drive, although it would start and relatively idle, but the old clutch was just pretty much spinning. I think it was grinded out. But today we're going to install the new clutch. I had the cover on there, so of course with all the snow it would be okay. And I'm just using a space heater right now to heat everything up, get it a little nice and toasty in there so it's not so frozen to work on. And this thing with the snow will absolutely have a proper off-road test today. I have the rest of the parts in here. These are the old clutch parts, which whatever is in here I'm probably just going to leave in there, the old clutch being under the rag. The new clutch has all kinds of new parts, packaged a little bit loosely, but it'll work. Oh yeah, this battery's definitely original. Chinese ATV with an equivalent battery. Got it charging on 12 volt 2 amp. My dad has had this trickle charger forever. Like almost before I was born, for Pete's sake. Alright. Yeah, it's pretty clean in there. Welcome to your 125cc ATV centrifugal clutch. It is so much more tedious than a Honda Clone's centrifugal clutch. I mean, on my mini bike, if you want to swap a clutch, just literally take it off and put a new one on, and you're done. This is not the case. This is a wet clutch inside the actual crankcase, or the clutch case, or the whatever you want to call it, I guess. www.youtube.com 125cc ATV clutch replacement. Oh, I'm so professional. I know what I'm doing.
Just go on, make sure you got the same amount of teeth.
I already see the improvement on this clutch, being that it actually connects to the crankcase. I didn't mean to say crankcase, I meant to say crankshaft. It actually rotates with the crankshaft, so that might actually work this time. I know what I'm doing, guys. Completely legitimate. I am so good at this. I love old gaskets, especially when they just fall apart in your very hands. Just gonna get it to seat. Anything before I stick it in. Drink up. least it's turning over. Alright, hold on. Alright, it's in neutral. Might need some, might need to get some motivation. Let's try it. Well, that's definitely started it up. I hear no weird noises coming from the clutch. Come on, let's get you moving. Let's get you moving. Oh, well, the brakes are on, but I feel it tried. Oh, yeah. That's so good. We did something right, because it's moving now. Yeah, man. Oh, this is fun, man. This is good. This is good, I approve. Just remember, this is only 125 cc's, so in the snow it probably slows it down too. Brakes on. Turn the electronics on. No problem, man. No problem at all. So yeah, this is a good little resto kind of a thing. I still got to get the front rack and every bolt with the trim and stuff all put back on, but that's something I'll do off camera. Things that are mechanical and outdoors, I'm all into that. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.